What's good, my family? It's your boy. That boy can cook. In the place, in your face. Today, y'all, we're gonna do smothered potato, as you can see by the thumbnail. Smothered potatoes, skillet potatoes, whichever one you want to call it, it's the same thing. So, it was always something of mine that I liked it. It was easy to make when I was young, and it kept me full. Don't forget, family, like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you know what we're doing when we're doing it. All right, family, real quick, this is all we're gonna need to make our smothered potatoes, skillet potatoes, whichever one you choose to call them, whichever one you're used to. I'm used to smothered potatoes, so if you hear me say smothered potatoes, I'm still talking about skillet potatoes. All right, of course we need potatoes. I got an onion, one whole onion. You can cut as many as you like. I just want one. I have a teaspoon of sea salt and a half a teaspoon of black pepper. I have 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Of course, you gotta have a skillet. And that's all we're gonna need. So let me cut everything down and we're gonna be right back. All right, family, as you can see, I have our potatoes peeled, and we're just going to half moon. That's how I do mine. You can leave them full moon if you want, but I like mine half moon. Also, remember to try to keep them as close as the same size as possible, for the simple fact they can cook all evenly. So, like I say, family, you can use half moons or full moons. I'm using half moons. All right, family, cut the rest of these down. Okay, now we have our pan. We have it greased with the 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, and it's heated. Let's see. There we go. And it's heated. So let's get our onions in here. There we go. Just make a nice little bed. And now for our potatoes. Just add them in there. I don't want to just dump the bowl all over with potatoes because it still may be a little water at the bottom. So I don't want to add any water to this hot grease. That's not a good thing. All right, family, so we have our onions, we have our potatoes resting at the top. Now let's take our salt. We're just gonna make sure we get it all over. There we go. And same with the pepper. All right. And let's just give it a mix. Get everybody combined, everybody familiar with everybody in this pan. That's good. Alright, family, and all we're going to do now is just, and remember, forgive me, y'all, remember we're cooking this at a medium heat temperature. So, all we're going to do, once we got our onions and our potatoes in, we got the salt and pepper in, and we got it all mixed together and combined, put a lid on that boy. We're going to let it cook for about 7 to 8 minutes. We're going to come back and we're going to check them and see where they at. They're not going to be finished, but they're going to be where they at, where they need to be. And now let's check our potatoes. There we go. All right, family. And what you want to do, get your spatula and go up under and just turn them at first, because you don't want to break them up or anything like that. So as you can see, certain ones are starting to get a little crust on them. So what we're going to do, we're going to go back, cover this boy up for about another 7 to 8 minutes. We'll come back and see what it do. There we go. There we go. That's what we want to see. And if you start to have any problems with your potatoes sticking as such, because it's been sucked up the oil, so what we just do is just add a teaspoon of oil. Everything over the oil. There we go. That way it can all touch the oil and be able to move around and not stick as such. And remember, family, try to keep them as uniform as possible. That's how we're going to do this. All right, family. Now we're going to throw the top back on it. This time for maybe about 10 minutes. And when we remove the top this last time, they should be finished. Most definitely, y'all. In a minute. Let's check on our smothered potatoes, y'all. There we go. There we go. Those smothered potatoes. As you can see, our potatoes are tender. As such. Remember, it's going to be 3 potatoes, 1 onion, salt, pepper, and cooking oil. 5 simple ingredients. Make the best tasting skillet. There it is, y'all. There it is. Smothered potatoes. 5 simple ingredients to give you one of the best side dishes. Like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you know what we're doing, when we're doing it. That boy can cook. Out the place.